If your bathroom outlet near the shower or tub isn't weatherproofed, you're basically asking for trouble with water damage or even worse, electrical hazards. So first thing you want to do is swap out any regular outlets for ones that are wet location rated, which means they can handle moisture without freaking out. Use covers that seal tight and keep water out. Those little flip covers or gasket covers work great. Make sure the outlet is at least a few feet away from the actual water source, but still convenient enough to use. If you're not sure which outlets are rated for wet locations, check the packaging or ask at the hardware store. When installing, double-check the ground fault circuit interrupter protection is in place, since it's a must for safety in bathrooms. Avoid DIY if you're not comfortable with electrical work. It's better to call a pro to avoid shocks or code violations. Also, clean around the outlet regularly so moisture doesn't build up and cause corrosion or damage. Lastly, if your bathroom is super steamy, consider extra ventilation to reduce moisture hanging around the outlets. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bathroom outlets near tubs or showers is using regular outlets that just aren't safe for wet conditions. Fix this by switching to wet location rated outlets that meet safety codes. Another issue is skipping the use of proper covers that seal out moisture. You want to use weatherproof covers designed for indoor wet areas to keep everything dry. Third, many forget about ground fault circuit interrupter protection, which is a safety lifesaver for bathrooms. Make sure your outlets have this built in or added during installation to prevent shocks and keep everything up to code. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like bathroom electrical updates safely. At the same time, it helps contractors connect with more clients, so everyone gets what they need without any hassle.